Hi, this is Shiroz from Fast Tech again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the blue light of death on your PS4. With this problem, when you turn the console on, the light keeps pulsing blue, and in other instances the console will turn on for a second and then turn right back off. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that today. So the light's going to turn blue for a second, and then the console is going to turn off. And in other instances, the light keeps pulsing blue, but it never goes to white, and there's no picture output, there's no video output on the TV. They're caused by APU chip solder related issues, and we can fix that by using the repair kit that we sell on our website. I'm going to put a link in the description for that. Yeah, so we're going to take the console apart and fix it. I'm going to be adding washers to the heat plate, and it's relatively easy if you just only do the washers. If you're going to replace the thermal paste, you have to actually take the motherboard out, which could be a challenge if you're not tech savvy or if you haven't worked with electronics before. So let's get started. We're going to start by removing the hard drive cover. You can pull it off like so, and it just comes off. Then we're going to look at the back of the console here. We're going to have to remove this warranty sticker up top. You can use a knife to remove it. And then there's going to be a Torx T8 screw underneath. I'm going to remove that screw. And then we're going to remove these two screws that hold the top cover on. Once these screws are removed, we can lift the top cover, just like so. And now we're going to remove these two screws that hold the heatsink in place. We're going to undo these screws. Like so. Once we have the brace out, we're going to put two washers. The kit that we sell on the website has 4 washers in total. You're going to put 2 on each side. 2 here, and then 2 here. So we're going to put 2 on each, and then we're going to reinstall it. And we're just going to tighten the screws. We're going to do them diagonally, one at a time. And I want to make sure they're as tight as possible. Okay, now that we have our washers installed, now we can start reinstalling the top cover. Just like so. Install the rest of the screws back in. Install the hard drive cover. We're going to remove these and install our own warranty sticker on here because we're going to give the customer a 6 months warranty with the service. And we're done. Now we're just going to test the console to make sure it works and the white light appears like it should. So we finished the steps and it looks like it works. It's no longer stuck on a blue light. It actually boots into the operating system now, and the blue light eventually turns white, which means that the operating system is loaded and all systems are working correctly. So yeah, that's that. If you want to buy the kit, we sell it on our website. I'm going to put a link in the description. And we also sell the screwdriver you need to open your PS4 on the website as well. I'm going to be adding the link to that in the description and in the corner of this video. So do check us out at www.fasttech.ca, and don't forget to subscribe.